Hello everybody, Brian here. Just doing another video here, August 3rd. Time is 2:52 Eastern Standard Time. So I want to go over in this particular video forex. So back in the day, let me just get this working, thank you. Back in the day, not too long ago, about 2 weeks ago, I'd be using this strategy for forex, and basically with a stronger US dollar, this was a great trade to make money on. As let me just pull it up here. So if I pull up Market Watch to show you the strength of the US dollar and how it's been going, you will see the US dollar is starting to weaken now. Okay, so if you followed along, or maybe you're an active trader, I don't know. But here we are, 1 year, 15% performance on the DXY, year to date 11%, 3 month 3.86. You can already see it's starting to slow down. And now with 1 month performance of negative 0.5%, and then very weak for a 5 day, 0.09%. So what's happening is the market, because of the strength, weakening dollar, the trade of being able to trade emerging markets with their debt in US dollar and whatever the currency is, used to be able to make pretty good returns. Well, that's now changed in the last week. You can see here I've only got 4 currencies with a similar pattern as I suggested. The Sharpe ratio is 2.28, so comparatively to other baskets, indices, whatever you want to call it, it's still fairly strong, but it's definitely weakening. And the max drawdowns within the tolerance of negative 15%. And the thing is, when the monthly returns are not as strong as you would want, as you can see here, 7.5% for April, 1 negative month in May, not very much. June 7%, and July up 4.5%. So here we are, August at 0.1%. It's still positive compared to the other US indices, as an example, because some of them were negative and fairly negative. So it's not a great performance. So what I'm planning to do is to add these kind of forex to my master portfolio without the other high performing, just to get a better comparison. And hopefully see some extra boost with what I just showed you, the monthly returns there of 4-7%. It's not very strong, but it will help add to it, and the optimizer will allocate the weightings based upon what it sees in the historical and using forward guidance. So we'll see what happens. Now, if you want to continue watching along, what I would recommend is join quantlabs.net/ETF, quantlabs.net/ETF. Get your details in their name, email. We don't sell your information or release it, and we go from there. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and as I always say, may the force be with you. Later.